Friends, distinguished delegates, and my dear student of Ayurvedic, please overlook this plant, medicinal plant. It's a very important medicinal plant for all human beings, those who have suffered in arthritis and other fevers and chronic fevers, diarrhea, etc. Please overlook it. Its name, scientific name is Solanum sesambifolium. Solomon sesambifolium. It is a very important medicinal name. It is in Ayurvedic also. It is called Solanium. In Hindi, it is called as a Mokoi, and in Bengali and Sanskrit, its name is called Kakamachi, and in Tamil it is called Kanathakali, and in Kannada it is called as a Kakamanchi. In Telugu it is called Kasaka and Gujachatu, and in relevant space of scientific purpose it is called Solanum nigrum, and it is a botanical name. Please observe and look at it. It's a very important medicinal plant for all human beings. Next, another is there. Look at here. And in Malayalam, it is called Gurukami. And in English, it is called black nightshade. In English, it is called black nightshade. And in Manipuri, it is called Lipunghangka Ganga. And it's a wild edible plants, its common name. And in Odia, it is called Baingana. It is eggplant. It is called eggplant or Baingana. And it is also a veggie Baingana in Wikipedia. If you have observed in Wikipedia, you can find out this medicinal plant as a wild edible plant and a Baingana. Now I would like to expose what are the important aspects for medicinal use, how it will support to all human beings and patients during their medicinal stay. First of all, I would like to highlight this fact. Traditionally used for treating the hypertension, this medicine is, and it is also used for trapping crops management, particularly the crops like potato vegetable. It has used for diarrhea, fever, and eye problems also. Its rus, as you called, is a real fact, as you called the liquid portions of this plant will support to the eyesight of a human being for curable of their any lens problem will affected in the eyes, that will support to you, and its root is also very important for all human beings particularly. And it has also used for asthma, bronchitis, and CNS disorders. It supports to free respiration systems of human beings also. This plant's root is very important and essential part. Its flower is also more important for human beings for CNS disorder purpose. Lastly, I would like to expose in front of you that it may help to epilepsy, as you called a very important aspect of a disease curable for. So, I herewith thanks to the nature. The nature has given much more gifts to the all poor and human beings for supporting their curable of all diseases, particularly this Solanum sesambifolium. It's a very important one. I would like to here remember to the ideology of Aristotle, who has given more priority to this medicinal plant as a very important essential part. He was called as the father of biology. During his tenure of life at Greek, he has excellently defined this medicinal plant also. Here, he has quoted a very important line for your remembrance and my remembrance and a remembrance for all human beings in this world. This quotation is called excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of a high intention, sincere effort, and intelligent execution. It represents the wise choice of many alternatives. Choice, not chance, determines your destiny. Very important quotation as he has highlighted by observing this medicinal plant. This is Aristotle, the great master of Alexander the Great. Please known and remembrance this point. He was born in 384 BC at Stagira of Greece, and he was such a great philosopher also. He has transformed the study of nature into science. It's a very important one. Lastly, I would like to highlight the name of this medicinal plant in Gujarati. In Gujarati language, it is called as a Pilonium Paudha. It is very important. Pilonium Paudha. Very important one. Please observe and look at to this plant also. Same and similar medicinal plants. Look at and observe this. And the company of Badryanath may also produce this roots of medicinal plant and given the name as a Rasaraj for paralysis patient also. Thanks to all. Goodbye. Namaste.